And I don't know how can I talk. I'm so excited because it will take easy for us to travel from this side to go to the other side. Even the way we were doing, or the way we were using this bridge during our campaigns, we found it very hard to travel from this side to the other side. Even the mothers who has got their children to travel from school, it was not easy for them to travel. It takes almost 2 hours to travel.
I don't know how can I talk because it will take so easy for us. Because before this bridge, it takes 2 hours to travel. Even mothers with children travel to school from school. So I take it for granted.
The same bridge, while we can take 2 hours to walk from here up to the town, while they are walking 2 hours to travel at the same bridge. So the way the bridge has started to maintain or upgrade it just for now, we take it we are not taking it for granted because we've been waiting for 15 years. It wasn't easy. We can just say thank you for the reader of
Protected, and I thank Professor Peter Mutarika for managing this world in this what can I say, Chitukugo. What can I say to
the way they are handling this world, the way they are making their what can we say, their what can we say, yeah. So
iwe mala wenzanga samala pali na oyesa omala tuni business ndi mafuna presidenti azikala wa chinyamata ukamba mfundo zake momveka bwino ndi mafuna presidenti azikala wa mphamvu zake Malawi, Malawi, I make it here, Malawi, Tikwese, Akokoa, Tikwese, Akoko, It's a deep,